Oh, really? That's easy. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaklio English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi everyone, we are so happy to see you here today.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, and I'm really excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today we have something very special for you.
Yes, today we are going to teach you how to start speaking English alone at home.
That's right. Many students ask us, how can I practice speaking when I'm alone?
This is a great question, and today we will give you easy ways to practice.
You don't need a teacher, you don't need a partner. You can do this by yourself.
Yes, it's so easy and fun. We promise you will learn a lot today.
So please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.
Yes, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our lessons.
All right, let's get started.
So, let me ask you something. Do you practice speaking English at home?
Yes, I do. I practice every single day.
Really? How do you do that when you're alone?
Great question. Let me tell you my favorite methods.
I'm so excited to hear this.
The first method is called talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English.
Talk to yourself? That sounds funny.
I know, but it really works. When you talk to yourself, you practice speaking.
Okay, give me an example. How do you talk to yourself?
Okay, listen. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You say, "Good morning, it's a beautiful day."
Oh, I see. You just speak about what you're doing.
Exactly. Then you say, "I'm going to brush my teeth now."
And then you say, now I'm making breakfast.
Perfect. That's it. You describe your actions in English.
This is so simple. I love it.
Yes, talk to yourself every day. It helps you think in English.
Okay, so method number 1 is talk to yourself. What's method number 2?
Method number 2 is read out loud. This means you read English texts with your voice.
Oh, so you don't read silently. You read with sound.
Exactly. Reading out loud helps your pronunciation.
What should we read? Books? Newspapers?
You can read anything. You can read a book, a news article, or even your favorite song lyrics.
That's great. Can you give us an example?
Sure. Let me read this sentence out loud. The cat is sleeping on the sofa.
Nice. Your pronunciation is very clear.
Thank you. Now you try. Read something out loud.
Okay. I love learning English because it's fun and useful.
Perfect. See? Reading out loud is easy.
Yes, and it helps me speak more clearly.
Exactly. So remember, read out loud every day for 10 minutes.
Great advice. What's the third method?
Method number 3 is record yourself speaking. This is very important.
Record yourself? Why is that important?
Because when you listen to your recording, you can hear your mistakes.
Oh, so you become your own teacher.
Exactly. You can check your pronunciation and your grammar.
How do we do this? Do we need special equipment?
No, you just need your phone. Every phone has a voice recorder.
That's easy. What should we record?
You can record yourself talking about your day, or you can answer a question.
Can you show us an example?
Sure. Imagine you record yourself saying, "My name is Sarah. I'm learning English. Today I studied for 2 hours."
Then you listen to the recording and check for mistakes.
Exactly. Maybe you hear, "Oh, I said 2 hour, but it should be 2 hours."
This is brilliant. You learn from your own voice.
Yes, record yourself 3 times a week. You will see big progress.
I will definitely try this. What's the fourth method?
Method number 4 is use a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and speak.
A mirror? Why do we need a mirror?
Because when you see yourself, you become more confident.
Oh, you can see your mouth movements and your facial expressions.
Exactly. This helps with pronunciation too. So, what do we say when we look in the mirror?
You can practice introducing yourself. Say, "Hello, my name is John. I'm from Brazil. Nice to meet you."
That's great. You can also practice job interview questions.
Yes, like, what are your strengths? Why do you want this job?
I love this method. It makes speaking feel more real.
Exactly. Use the mirror method 5 minutes every day.
Perfect. What's the fifth method?
Method number 5 is shadowing. This is a very powerful technique.
Shadowing? What does that mean?
Shadowing means you listen to English and repeat immediately.
Oh, like copying what you hear.
Yes, you listen to a native speaker and repeat their words at the same time.
This sounds challenging but fun.
Yes, start with slow videos, then move to faster speech.
How long should we practice shadowing?
Practice for 15 minutes every day. You will sound more natural.
Wonderful. What's method number 6?
Method number 6 is think in English. This is super important.
Think in English? How do we do that?
Instead of thinking in your native language, try to think in English.
That sounds difficult. It's hard at first, but with practice, it becomes easy.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. When you see a dog, don't think the word in your language. Think dog in English.
Oh, so you change the language in your brain.
Exactly. When you're hungry, think I'm hungry in English.
When you're happy, think, I'm so happy today.
Perfect. This helps you speak faster and more naturally.
Because you don't need to translate anymore.
Exactly. Start thinking in English for 5 minutes a day, then increase the time.
This is amazing advice. What's the 8th method?
The 8th method is ask and answer questions. Practice asking yourself questions.
How does this work?
You ask yourself a question, then you answer it out loud.
Can you show us?
Sure. I ask myself, what did I eat for breakfast? Then I answer, I ate toast and eggs.
Oh, that's like having a conversation with yourself.
Exactly. You can ask, what are my plans for today?
And answer, I'm going to study English and go to the gym.
Perfect. This method helps you form sentences quickly.
I love it. What kind of questions should we ask?
Ask simple questions like, what's my favorite color? Where do I live? What do I like to do?
And we answer in complete sentences.
Yes, not just one word. Say the full answer.
This is so helpful. What's the 8th method?
The 8th method is use English learning apps. There are great apps for speaking practice.
Really? Which apps do you recommend?
You can use apps like Elsa Speak, Duolingo, or HelloTalk.
What do these apps do?
Some apps check your pronunciation, some let you talk with other learners.
That's fantastic, so you can practice speaking even without a teacher.
Exactly. Use these apps for 20 minutes every day.
This is great for busy people.
Yes, you can practice on the bus, at home, or anywhere.
Okay, now let's do a quick practice together. Are you ready?
Yes, let's practice.
I will ask you some questions. Answer in complete sentences, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Question 1. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. I'm an English teacher.
Great job. Question 2. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the park. I walked for 30 minutes.
Perfect. Your answer is clear and complete.
Thank you. Now, let me ask you, where do you live?
I live in New York City. It's a big and busy city.
Excellent. Now, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza with extra cheese.
Wonderful. See, everyone? This is how you practice speaking alone.
You ask questions and you answer. It's so simple.
Now, let me give you one more important tip.
What is it?
Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
That's so true. When you practice alone, you can make mistakes freely.
Exactly. Nobody is judging you. You are safe at home.
So speak without fear. Make mistakes and learn from them.
Yes, the more you practice, the better you become.
Remember, everyone, practice speaking English every single day.
Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference.
You can do this. We believe in you.
All right, everyone. We covered so many useful methods today.
Yes, let's quickly review. What did we learn?
We learned to talk to yourself, read out loud, and record yourself.
We also learned to use a mirror, practice shadowing, and think in English.
And don't forget to ask yourself questions and use learning apps.
These 8 methods will help you speak English confidently.
Now we have homework for you.
Yes, leave a comment below and tell us which method you will try first.
Will you talk to yourself or will you use a mirror?
We want to hear from you. Write your answer in the comment section.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Speaklio English.
Hit the like button and share this video with your friends.
Turn on the notification bell so you get our new lessons first.
We make learning English easy and fun for everyone.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson.
You are doing great. Keep practicing every day.
Remember, speaking English alone at home is possible and easy.
You don't need a teacher or a partner. You just need yourself.
See you in